Okay, what's going on, everyone? So here we are, just casually putting some tape around the rubber, just off the simple fact that I cannot take this off right now because I do not want to spend that money. So we're simply just trying to do the cheapest thing we can do, and that just get some duct tape and whatnot, make sure that we get all around the tires. We're turning them black, so it's realistically not going to be that difficult to do. So everyone, this is what painting your rims looks like. Doing the inside of the rims first, just so that way we don't scratch up the outside, and nor do I care about painting the back part of it. So that makes it kind of go a little bit easier. Don't want it to get too chunky, so we do it in little bursts. Sure we get that bottom layer and that middle area nice and done up. It's a little windy, so that part kind of sucks. Kind of makes all this shit go everywhere. But it's nothing you can't adjust to. Alright, time to paint the next one. On the front where it matters. Enough tape that it's not obvious that we painted the rims when. So, paint obviously will get onto it.
Okay, time for another coat, but first, let's clear coat this one. Ooh, I missed some black right there. That's okay, we'll probably touch it up the last time. That actually looks so good.
So here are my painted 2 out of my 4 rims here. painted with some classic stuff right here. Wheel clear coat and black paint. It's literally supposed to be about 5 minutes or so, and then that's what you have.